This is the Netkey flush mount Keystone wall plate. Single gang, one port. Wall plates are a safety feature in your home or office and protect delicate cords and cables from dust and moisture. These Keystone wall plates can accept Keystone modules such as data, audio, and video. These plates give the installation versatility to install only the jacks needed and provide a professional appearance while keeping the wire organized. To ensure its longevity in life is lasting, these wall plates are made from a thermoplastic nylon material, making it easy to clean and lightweight. The wall plate comes in a variety of colors, so it's easy to coordinate with your home or office. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.